Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Durisha War Mariam and I am recently selected as lecture biology in higher education department. So preparing yourself for any competitive exam, especially for lectureship, is a bit technical and you need a smart guidance. Biolecturia team, Jeff Academy, is having a very intelligent people who guides you in this domain. So I highly recommend you people to join the YouTube channel Biolecturia to attend their lecture on daily basis and to clarify the written exam as well as the interview. I am highly thankful to the Biolecturia team, Dr. Azhar Rasool, Sir Adnan, Madam Nazia Kamal, Madam Amara and Madam Ikra. Their guidance was really very helpful during the whole journey. So if you people want to craft your future as a lecturer, join them because they are providing the best platform that is free of cost, and you people will also be succeeded by following their lectures. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.